Some may prefer chocolates and roses for this Valentine.
Yeah.
No, I don't like people in my house.
Kingsley Ben-Adir. Oh. Ben-Adir.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Leila Ike interview. Me Erin back. Alright, so Burritos, we know say some time ago Leila Ike had a whole entire moment on social media after posting a series of tweets that suggested that she was in danger. Some has to do with sexuality. It was just an entire social media moment, and many persons online were so concerned about the singer's safety. Now, if you don't know who Leila Ike is, you know she's a person who give you second chance, such as Where I'm Coming From, hits after hits in a short period of time. Yendi Phillips did to really secure this interview, but I am so happy that she did and gave it to us.
So I went on my live, and at this point now I'm crying, telling people that, yo, you know, they're trying to kill me. I need y'all to save me. Somebody called Protege, Jazzy Lee 7 or somebody. My mother came and got me. I went home. I was taken to the hospital. Got some medication and everything. At that point, I was formally diagnosed with bipolar disorder. And I was told that, you know, you were actually having a manic episode. And a couple days in, I didn't even know exactly what was going on.
Right.
It wasn't until I came back around and, you know, got a call from Protege. He's telling me that, yo, this is what's happening.
Right.
And trust me, since all of that, it's been a lot, because everything that I stand for.
Yes, so you know Leila Ike, she revealed that she was diagnosed with bipolar disorder, and she's been treating herself and trying to figure out how to be well and get back into the groove of her music. And so right about now, I just wish you all the best, Leila Ike. You are an incredible talent, and honestly, it's just like we just want to hear more from you, because I feel like we not even get like the 10% of what you are really capable of. So kudos to you, Leila Ike, and your wellness, and all the best. And big up yourself, Yendi, because yeah, I'm glad you get the interview. Number 9, innovative DJ. Me triple A battery. Alright, Burrito, so I saw this video with this young man, and he was quite creative, quite innovative with his stereotype of system.
Oh, Toro. Jack to listen to you. There's laptop on Jack, so there's a person on a laptop. And that's it. What about some tuna?
Oh wow. Well, I don't know what to say about this now, because like them phone, they look like it make from us 2004, and him have the mic connected to it and the speaker. I don't know. I don't know what him really do, but I am just impressed by it. So big up yourself, youth. Number 8, Shenseea dating me Pocahontas. Alright, so right about now, Shenseea is back in the mainstream media yet again, because she has been seen out at the Super Bowl with her rumored boyfriend, London the Track. No, there has been speculation to see London there, Jamaica with Shenseea, and you know, look at images are going there and here and there, where from you see London, Shenseea is just always like 2 feet away. So many online have been speculating that the producer and the artist have been, you know, dating and getting to know each other. But Shenseea, after this picture surfaced with him, hold her hand during the Super Bowl, Shenseea popped up on the shade room and basically said that he was just holding her hand so that she could you know, could stay stable while she was walking in heels. Now, a part of the reason why many online are quite I guess, upset with the pairing is because London is rumored to be a toxic boyfriend. You know, he dated Summer Walker, that is the R&B singer, and it is known on social media that the relationship was not the healthiest and that he has had encounters with his baby mothers who do not hold him in high regard. So many people very protective of Shenseea right now and do not want Shenseea to be in that drama-filled world.
Timelines be crazy, bro. London on the track is a walk in the park. Shenseea can handle this day and night. Are you kidding me? Like, she's dealt with Jamaican men. It's all the same story, bro. London on the track don't got nothing on a nigga from Spanish Town, bro. I'm sorry. And I'm not talking about in a Jamaican, American Jamaican. I'm talking about two Sardine Jamaican, bro. She's fine. Don't let her start acting like her dad. If anything, London got to worry about her.
Then there's another argument where Shenseea, she try getting out of the love and hip-hop space there. So maybe this is just all a tactic for her to build up that support in the American market. And who knows, maybe she and Spice will live on love and hip-hop later this year. But let me know, Burritos, what do you think of this couple? Are you here for it? Sound off below.
Reggae saxophonist Dean Fraser is a celebrated artist of this Caribbean country. Gus.
What is Jamaica?
Yes.
Dean's list for 4.
Number 7, 90s uniform. Alright, Burritos, check out this video that was done by Joan Mackenzie. I think I'm getting the name right. And she did a video basically showing how the 90s girls them used to wear them uniform. Alright, Burritos, I'd love to hear where you like this when you attended high school, and let me know which high school you think always have the hottest girl them who wear the little bubbles and clip on them little shirt up here so like this. Because you know the girl them normally do it and them put on the little gel in the bag and them comes and put the little scribbly, the little curly, the little joining up at them head side right here. So yeah man, them type of girl there with the socks right up here so like it reach at them knee. Yeah. Oh god, those girls. Number 6, Riri House Rules. Me umbrella. Alright, so the Bayesian billionaire Rihanna, Miss Fenty Beauty, did an interview recently with E! News, and in the middle of the interview, she actually shared that she has certain, certain little house rules.
Actually, I haven't been in a lot of houses.
Everybody comes to you.
No, I don't like people in my house either.
Real
Funny about that. I'm real Caribbean about that.
Oh, no. And no shoes either.
Oh, well, you see, if you get as far as being inside of my house, then I trust where your feet have been.
Yeah man, right there and then Rihanna shows that she is very much still 120% Caribbean, because yeah, the little thing where anybody can just walk up through your house and only certain people get that privilege is a traditional view, but it's very cool to see that Rihanna, given all of her traveling and her recognition internationally, that she still keep to some of the Caribbean values though. Burritos, I'd love to hear from you. Do you agree with Rihanna? Are you very skeptical and picky as it relates to who enters your abode? Sound off below. Number 5, right rejection. Me Parliament. Alright, Burritos. So recently, controversial member of Parliament, I think it's for Westmoreland Central, George Wright, came under fire from, do I want to describe it as that? Was rejected by the President of the People's National Party, Mark Golding, during the opening of Parliament. Take a look.
Send them send you for do this. No, send them. No, yeah, what I think you should
No, honestly, this was a very
send them send you for do this. And never me tell you go do it. And never me send you go do it. Come on, go on. Let's send them send you for do this.
Yes, I was forced. I was forced by them.
No, honestly, I just can't understand why would Mr. George Wright try to do something like this. Like, you can't take shame. You can't take shame. This was embarrassing. I, for one, never think, say, you know, Mark Golden didn't have them badness there for really go step to George Wright like that. So I was quite surprised and I was like, whoa. Cool, because I wouldn't want him to walk with me neither. Like, if at the PNP and we are walking together, I don't know how the little strips go. You know, wait until you're part for your party there, man. You can't just run in for Mark Golden right now. The Mark Golden don't really have that much video light, you know. So when him get the little video light, him want it for all of himself. You must can't understand that, Mr. George Wright. Jesus P. But then again, I'm also thinking, I wonder if it was the JLP who did boost him up for kind of do this. Like, maybe because him probably embarrassed the party during the situation with the abuse allegations. Maybe he was just like, yo, you have to go do this right now because you're embarrassed me. So we're going to tell you to do this and you just do it and make a mockery of yourself.
I didn't do it willingly, off my own mind.
Or maybe George Wright, they just want to do this right now. And hopefully it would have blow up where people would have forget about the allegations. So, Burritos, I'd love to hear from you at this point in time. I think the MP is asking, demanding an apology from Mark Golden. I'm going to take Mark Golden and go look at him. Honestly, I don't know if he should look at him. I don't think I'm going to look at him. This I got just like none out. But Burritos, I'd love to hear from you. Number 4, quiz rights. My school challenge quiz. Alright, Burritos, so this particular clip has been making the rounds on social media and it has to do with the school challenge quiz second round of the competition in which Denby High was asked this question. Take a listen.
Which Jamaican artist recorded the single Equal Rights?
Hey, Shana!
Incorrect. Peter Tosh.
No, dog. No, dog. No, dog.
Oh, wow. No. Honestly, like, who else? Who the Boxfoot else? Like, of course, I hear Equal Rights. The first person you're going to think is the Bumper Tia Fardy, the Pepsi/Bag Juice Queen, Aishana. But, you know, right there and then, you know, so this is a generational issue because the originator of a song with a title called Equal Rights is a reggae legend himself, Peter Tosh. This is how his song goes. Yeah, and this is how Aishana's Equal Rights version go.
Deal with me like a bag juice. Me say equal rights and justice.
Yeah, man, so 2 different subject matters, 2 different themes right here. Both of the songs quite popular, but I think, you know, you have to look on it from a generational, for a generational gap. And so me feel like me definitely know what School Challenge Quiz was doing. Like, they must know what they did right there, so. Somebody has to vet the questions and know that this could have been, you know, an option. What I'm hearing is that the school was denied the points initially, but then during the break and after deliberation, they were actually awarded the points. And rightfully, yeah, that's how it was supposed to go.
An artist recorded the single Equal Rights.
Hey, Shana!
Incorrect. Peter Tosh.
But Burritos, I'd love to hear from you. Do you think that this was intentional? Or do you think this question was just an honest mistake? Sound off below. Number 3, Bob Marley role. Mikushum Peng. Alright, Burritos, so it's been a couple of years now since we've been hearing talks about a Bob Marley movie. And it seems as if we're closer to that execution because they have finally found the star, the lead star, the man who will play Bob Marley. And that person is British actor Kingsley Ben-Adir. Now, me know, this is the brother face. This is what he looks like. And many people are not aware of him. And the question is, why them couldn't get a homegrown Jamaican? Why couldn't they get a Jamaican to play the role of Bob Marley? And I am 100% with you. I was hoping that maybe they would have pulled from some of the talented set of actors that are on the island, and because in my mind I feel like you have people like Sheldon Shepherd, you have what's his name, you have Kenzik that I feel like could have played the role, and talented people. You even have people from the family. I mean, I think Ziggy Marley and what's the other Marley were actually trying to see if they could get a role in this movie.
That's awesome. Who do you want to play your dad?
No, me.
Oh, really?
No, not really.
We're sorry.
Yeah, let's come on.
Mexico, yeah, man, possible, yeah. Very competitive.
Yeah. Would you have maybe an American playing your dad, or would it have to be, you know?
We don't reach that far yet, so we'll have to wait and see.
No one on your wish list? Michael B. Jordan, maybe? No?
No, a part of me is like, why them couldn't get a Jamaican actor? Why couldn't they've gotten like an actual Rastafarian brother to give this person the role of a lifetime to probably catapult them into stardom and to a next level of their artistic career. And yeah, I did know a little behind the scenes. I know that a lot of actors and Jamaican actors did send in their tapes and went in for auditions and stuff, but it seems as if they were not selected. No, a little birdie actually tell me that Kingsley, he came in late in the audition process. So after they already were on them way and, you know, a scout and a search and a look at the audition tapes, Kingsley came in at the last minute and apparently wowed the production team. And this production team that I'm speaking of is Paramount Pictures. And how me know these things, you know, is that what I'm hearing is that Rita Marley, Cedella Marley, as well as I think, is it Kimani Marley or Ziggy Marley, were actually a part of the production, the creative process. So I'm pretty sure that they were instrumental in selecting the person to play Bob Marley, because this is the moment of a lifetime. This is a role that could really catapult somebody into the heights of stardom. So it would have really been great for it to be given to a local talent. But in my mind, clearly for them to go this route, they must have been so wowed by his acting and his ability that they chose him. At this moment, Kingsley Ben-Adir, him is not like a doobie actor. He was actually casted in a movie with Regina King called One Night in Miami, where he played Malcolm X.
The actor who plays Malcolm X, Kingsley Ben-Adir. Welcome to the show and congratulations. You just won with the Gotham Film Award Breakthrough Actor. Is this what happens when you hang out with Regina King? Because she just, you know, she just collects them. Is this a part of that?
That's what I'm saying. Nice to meet you, Tamron. And Regina.
He also was in a Showtime production where he played Barack Obama.
Good. Politicians are awful.
And now he's gearing up to be a part of a new Marvel production called Secret Invasion, in which he will be playing a villain. So clearly this guy is somebody who has been building up quite a momentum in the Hollywood streets. And I guess the production felt that maybe he has just enough star power as well as anonymity to be able to be transformed into this character. And so I am going to just rally around and believe in them. I am believing to this guy, because I know so them British actors here, them don't normal. May I tell you, the British people, them, they can act like them act on one different level. Not to say that our homegrown talent don't do it, you know, but maybe that bit of international appeal that he has right now, paired with the fact that he's still a new name, was probably something that was advantageous to him, selling himself in the audition process. And I know in a moment like that, that is where the Jamaican homegrown talent might be at a disadvantage. So Burritos, just, you know, let's just see what this movie will bring. Will you be looking forward to it, or are you now taken aback because this person is not a Jamaican? Sound off below. Number 2, Church Touch Me Tambourine. Alright, Burritos, I have nothing to say. Just look at this video with this sistering on the pulpit.
In this house today, touch me again, Lord. Touch me again, Lord.
Something alright, yeah.
No, you know me not laugh. No, what was, is this the Holy Ghost? Is this what the Holy Ghost can do to you? Because when she said touching us, that's why people have to be careful with them whisper. She said she want a touch, but me think she get a different type of touch.
Mariga! Ishkatai!
I know what's so funny is when all of this is unfolding, the person at the back is just completely trying to keep his cool. But it really does. I'd love to hear, what do you think was touching her up there?
This is Original Coffee and you're watching the DuttyBerryShow. Duttyberry, I come in like a rapture.
And number one goes to JPS JPS rated. JCF Valentine's message, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number one goes to JCF's Valentine's Day message. So recently, the Jamaica Constabulary Force put up quite a, what would I call it? An entertaining video, quite a shocking, intriguing video for Valentine's Day. Something that I guess they hope would appeal to us citizens in an attempt for us to give up the names of criminals. Take a listen.
Some may prefer chocolates and roses for this Valentine, but we are into law and order. Celebrate love better this year by giving up the criminals in your community. We know you know them. Violent experiences, live our values every day, and leave out violence every time. It's time for love.
Okay, alright. I'm right. Okay, you know, when I saw it, I was a little bit taken aback. But then I'm like, I guess they're trying to reach out and get people and to get people, get people's attention. And in this age of social media, you have to do little things different. You have to bring a little creativity, a little spice, something to really get the masses' attention. So if it is a bit of this theatrics and them little moments here, I totally understand it. It was weird because you expect the JCF to kind of conduct themselves differently online. But I understand with this day and age that I guess they were just trying to, you know, get people's attention. And this definitely did it because everybody and their mother was talking about it. So I do look at research and I found out that there's actually somebody who does their social media, and I think this person is Mr. Mitchell, and he's a person who was the conceptualizer of this concept. So I guess if you are, you know, appreciating it, you can give him a little forward. Big up yourself, Sanjay Mitchell, for orchestrating this social media campaign. And they're taking it a step further because they posted this recently. And it reads, "Attention gangsters, report your arrivals. Call Crime Stop 311, NIB at 811. No, really? But readers, I'd love to hear from you. What did you make of the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Valentine's Day video? Were you here for it or were you not here for this antic at all? Sound off below. Well, that is it. We've come to another top 10 social media countdown. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button as well as to turn on your post notification. Do not forget to leave a comment down below. Share the video with your friends, family all over. If you want to follow me at social media, it is right here on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And if you want to advertise within the countdown, shoot me an email too. Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things that going on, that missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I will have me not a week, yo, just tune in, scene.